Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming unboxing Sarah Renae Clark's Color Cube. If you've seen any of my other videos, you've probably seen me talk about the books that I made of the color catalog because I wanted a physical copy. And I talked about the cubes a little bit in that video, but I wanted a physical book just because I like flipping through books, and I think that they're easier to travel with, and they're also just beautiful to have as coffee table books. So I wanted to use this just because I felt like it would suit my needs the best. However, I started to think about it, and for shooting videos such as color with me's, I wanted to show my color choosing process because I find that to be something that can be challenging at times. That's obviously why I like the color catalog. So I thought I don't want to show all of her color palettes and me flipping through it. I just didn't feel right about showing it because I'm sure so much work and time went into this. So I wanted to be respectful of Sarah Renae Clark. And I thought that it would be beneficial to have just the cards to show, because when you buy the color catalog, it says that she asks that you don't show, a bunch of the palettes, but you can show the one that you used for your drawing, for instance. So I just thought it'd be nice to have the cards to go along with what I'm coloring, so I can kind of show my process and what I started with, and then the colors that I chose to go with that. So for that reason, I went ahead and ordered the cubes, and today I'm going to unbox it. So in case you didn't see, I have a video about these books and how I made them. Actually, the first video that I've made in recent years. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, I would definitely check it out. It's a little bit all over the place, but go to the description box first and you'll find the documents for the covers and exactly how I went through it. But anyway, I was waiting for this video to unbox, so this is going to be completely my first time seeing them. I took it out of the box because there was nothing too exciting. It was just a brown box, but then when you opened it, obviously it says Sarah Renae Clark, Color Cube Volume 1, Volume 2. This side says open here, and then each side has Color Cube Volume 1 and 2 listed on it. So that's the box. And then let's go ahead and open it. So exciting. Okay. All right, here they are. Let me just get something to open the plastic. They are so nice. Wow, I especially like this side. They're so nice. Okay, let's see here. Now, I think it said that they come with a sticker that you can choose to put on them. Yes, okay, so this is volume number 1. That's what the top looks like. And it smells amazing. Let's just look at the first one. It's such nice quality. These cards are really thick, and the picture is so HD, of course, and then the palette, the number. And I also loved about the cube that I don't have with my books is the different shades. Well, I guess at the bottom, there might be. Okay, yeah, so in the book or in the actual color catalog, there aren't different shades. So I love that these cards have that. Oh, I see a taupe peeking out at me. Love my neutrals. Oh, that's such a nice one. I can't get over the quality. I keep repeating myself, but it's just so nice. And I don't know if you can see on the inside here, there's also foam to pad it. And I love that they're snug in here, but they have just enough room to be able to flip through. I guess you would probably flip through and find the number. And then you would obviously like know if it was over 100, it would be up at the top, or, you know, down here would be lower numbers. Let's see here. Instructions. Using a color palette. How to match colors, hex codes, tints, and shades. Color names, appearance of colors, and share your art. I love this idea. Okay, so yeah, that's volume number 1. So excited to put these to use. And then volume number 2, let's see. Sticker, same instructions, and then same on everything inside. They are just so lovely. I'll have to show you, last night I was coloring and there was a palette I saw that I'd never noticed before that was in volume 2. There were actually a few different ones, and one of them I was just obsessed with. Let me figure out which one it was and I'll show you. This was one that I have noticed a couple of times actually that I just think is stunning. This was the one that I noticed last night that I just adore, this photo. And pinks is not typically one of my favorite colors, but this, I just love it with these shades. Same thing with this one, just all the floral arrangements in the volume 2 are breathtaking. And this is the final one that I also just think are colors that I would not choose typically, but seeing them all together like this really inspires me to do a page with this. So I'm so impressed with these, and while I do like having the book versus the interactive ones because I can flip through and it just inspires me with lots of different palettes and I can compare them easier. I like having it in my hands. But this is going to be so lovely to have right next to the page that I'm doing to remind myself of the main colors I want to gravitate towards. And I'm just so excited about them, and I'm excited to be able to show you which color palettes I choose. I have so many videos planned, and Color With Me in particular I'm really excited about because I personally love watching them. And so I'm looking into getting a mic and hopefully going to do some ASMR Color With Me videos. So stay tuned for that. If it works out well, you know, I've got to play around with it a little bit, but I'm really looking forward to that. And that's why I wanted to go ahead and get the cubes so that I could show you the palettes I'm using without showing too many of Sarah Renae Clark's palettes. I also have plans to do like a Hoo marker video where I clean, swatch, and organize them. And I have another video idea where I'd like to show my art bag and necessities for my coloring. And then I would like to do a video about how I choose colors, alcohol marker tips, and then I'm going to also do completed pages each month. So I'm already planning for my January one, and then alongside that, I'll also plan on doing every so often, I'll show the coloring books I have gotten since the last one. So every once in a while, there'll be a coloring book haul as well. But anyway, I just have so many video ideas and plans moving forward. So I'm so happy that you're here. Let me actually go ahead and stick these stickers on here because I do want them visible. Let's see. So this one, the label's on the bottom, and this one, it's on the lid. Okay. I guess I could use that as an indicator, but I'd like to put the numbers. Okay, I think I was just playing around with the different sides. I think this is probably the facing side that I'll keep them on my shelf because it's got the main primary colors, and this one is, when I think of the volume 2, I think of the hot pink title and the blues in the title. And I feel like the volume 1 has more yellow. So that will kind of help me indicate, and it doesn't have the white squares that some of the other sides do. So I think that's the sides I'm going to keep them on. Not that that's important, but, and I feel like it kind of flows. So that's what I'm going to do. But I hope that you enjoyed me unboxing these, this quick little video. I just felt like it would be really fun to share with you, me opening them. Again, I'm trying to film things that I enjoy watching and doing, and unboxing videos is one of those things. People unboxing their hoo-hoo markers, other coloring supplies, coloring cubes. So I just wanted to share it with you. So I hope you enjoyed it. And again, I have a lot of exciting videos, so please stick around, and I hope that you find something that you enjoy watching, and I will see you next time.